Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the relationship between Excel and MS Excel. Many people use these terms interchangeably, and for good reason. MS Excel is simply the full, formal name for the powerful spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft. When you hear someone say Excel, they are almost always referring to Microsoft Excel, the industry standard for data organization and analysis. Microsoft Excel provides an extensive set of features for managing and analyzing data. You can perform complex calculations using hundreds of built-in functions, create dynamic pivot tables for data summarization, and generate professional charts to visualize trends. Its capabilities extend to data validation, conditional formatting, and even basic database functionalities, making it incredibly versatile for various tasks. While Microsoft Excel is dominant, several excellent alternatives exist. Google Sheets, for example, excels in real-time collaboration and cloud integration, making it ideal for team projects. LibreOffice Calc is a powerful, free option for those seeking a desktop application without a subscription. Apple Numbers offers a more visual and intuitive experience, particularly for users within the Apple ecosystem. Each has unique strengths. Choosing the best spreadsheet software depends on your individual or team requirements. If you need advanced features, extensive integration, and industry-wide compatibility, Microsoft Excel is often the preferred choice. For cloud-based collaboration or budget-friendly options, alternatives like Google Sheets or LibreOffice Calc are strong contenders. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.